surface area of a sphere and cube are equal. Okay, so we have a sphere whose surface area 4 pi r square and we have a cube. Okay, this surface area which is a square, these two are equal. Sorry, 6a square, right? Surface area of a cube, 6a square. So these two are equal. Find the ratio of their volumes. We need to find the ratio of this volume. See, 4 by 3 pi r cube is volume of sphere divided by volume of cube is a cube. So we need to find this ratio, isn't it? Now, given these two are equal, so 4 pi r square is equal to 6a square. From here, let us find the value of a. So 4 pi r square divided by 6 is equal to a. So this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Now, so this is 2 pi r square by 3 is equal to a square. Sorry, a square is here. Now square goes on the other side, becomes root, right? So it is 2 pi r square by 3 is equal to a. So this will be under root of 2 pi by 3 r a. Okay. Now we need to find the ratio, this ratio, right? We got the value of a. Let us substitute the value of a here. So this is 4 pi by 3 r cube divided by, this is volume of a sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. So 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. A is 2 pi by 3 r. So this is cube, right? This is 4 by 3. So this will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by cube. So we need to write this 3 times, right? This is 1, this is 2, and this is third time. And we have r cube also. Cube is for this term and cube is for r also. So r cubes will get cancelled, right? So this, see, root 2 pi by 3, root 2 pi by 3 will give us how much? See, in the denominator, we can write this without root 1 time and here 1 time, right? It will be like this. So 3 pi and pi will get cancelled. This and this will also get cancelled. We'll have 2. So it is 2 by 2 pi by 3. Okay. Now, see, in some books, this question is given like this. Surface area of sphere and cube are equal. Then show that the ratio of their volumes is equal to 1 is to root pi by 6. We'll get this answer. Okay. That one and this one, both are same. Let us see how to get 1 is to root pi by 6 from here. See, this is 2, right? Can we write this as root 4? Yes. Now, if you simplify this, this is root 4 into, this is division of division, right? So this will become root 3 by 2 pi, root 3 by 2 pi, right? So this is root 4 into 3 in the denominator and 2 pi in the numerator, right? So this will become how much? 2 and 4 will get cancelled, 6, root 6 by pi divided by 1. But if we see 6 by pi, how can we write this? Can we write this as 1 by or 1 divided by, this will become reciprocal, right? Pi by 6. Yes. Hence the ratio is 1 is to root pi by 6. Okay. So surface area of the sphere and the cube are equal. Then the ratio of their volumes is 1 is to root pi by 6.